Hello FM world, my name is Joanna Brzezińska. Welcome to the third presentation of the new FM World Product Catalogue number 33. We've already had two premiere presentations of the latest catalogue, and so far we have shown you a multitude of fantastic products, including Konjac Superfood, AURILE Chocolates and Almonds, Gold REGENESIS Shimmering Body Oil, Hello HONEY MANUKA line, Smart and Clean probiotic preparations, Perfumed Body Sprays, and of course, all manner of unisex fragrances from Pure Royal collection. Both premieres met with enthusiastic response, and we saw record activity on our social media platforms. See for yourselves. A book is not to be judged by its cover, but for us a cover is of great importance. We want our catalogues to have a positive influence on your emotions already at first glance and to put you in a good mood, especially since festive season is coming. Ladies and gentlemen, we present two new covers with beautiful pictures from the photo session for the catalogue number 33. And now have a look what awaits you inside. Let's start with the second new product in the Gold REGENESIS line, which is another very important step in skincare routine and perfectly complements the whole cosmetic line designed for mature skin. In addition, it contains almost 100% of natural ingredients. What product are we talking about? Please meet Anti-Aging Face Scrub.
Gold REGENESIS Anti-Aging Face Scrub. It effectively cleanses and refreshes the skin, leaving it smoother and gently brighter. With licorice, which beautifully evens out the skin tone and shows antioxidant properties. Due to corundum crystals, it thoroughly exfoliates the calloused epidermis, ensuring the effective cosmetic microdermabrasion, slowing down its aging processes.
This is not the only peeling product we have prepared for you in this premiere presentation. While the scrub from the Gold REGENESIS line is designed for the face, there is one more new product suitable for the whole body. Perfect Skin Nourishing Body Salt Scrub from the Fontana V collection will not only take care of your skin, but also pamper your senses with your favorite scent, Pure Royal 900.
Perfect Skin Nourishing Body Salt Scrub effectively exfoliates dead cells, making the skin more flexible, silky smooth, and soft to touch. When applied regularly, it clearly improves skin condition, restoring its proper hydration and stimulating microcirculation. Cosmetic base is formed by the highest quality precious oils with avocado, sunflower, and argan oils, as well as butter, mango and shea. This is true richness of vitamins precious for the skin, among others E, C, B, PP, A and K, unsaturated fatty acids, linoleic acid, as well as minerals, potassium, iron and copper.
The weather outside does not spoil us, so we should take care of our immune system. Fortunately, we have something to support you during a period of increased incidence of infections. An extremely efficient dietary supplement, NutriCode Vit C powder. It is widely known that vitamin C is the basis of good health and is responsible for the proper functioning of the whole body.
Vit C powder dissolves perfectly to make a healthy drink. Helps to maintain correct psychological functions as well as nervous and immune system operations. Contributes to maintaining the right energy metabolism and decreases the feeling of fatigue and weariness. Supports the production of collagen to ensure the right functioning of blood vessels, bones, cartilages, skin, gums and teeth. Supports the protection of cells against oxidative stress, as well as increasing iron absorption.
And now I invite you to the world of perfume, our favorite world. Scents bring back memories, take us back to beautiful places, exciting situations, or people important to us. That is why perfumes are so fascinating. They are memorable. We are sure that you will love our new compositions as much as we do. Ladies and gents, meet more new fragrances in the Pure Royal line.
Pure Royal number 913 is full of clear floral notes, while coconut and vanilla provide it with a pleasant warmth. Fragrance notes: head, pink pepper, bergamot, orange, pistachio. Heart, coconut, ylang-ylang, jasmine, tuberose. Base, benzoin resin, tonka bean, vanilla, amber. Pure Royal number 917 is a surprising combination, whose serious nature is contrasted with the radiant accent of juicy orange and sweet mandarin. Fragrance notes: head, orange, mandarin, sage. Heart, jasmine, orange flower. Base, honey, sunny notes. Pure Royal number 922 is an intriguing perfume because it is not obvious, floral on the one hand, and dazzling with the depth of oriental accords on the other hand. Fragrance notes: head, orange flower, leafy notes, dianthus. Heart, ylang-ylang, jasmine, rose. Base, cedarwood, musk, amber. Pure Royal number 923 is a charming fragrance which mesmerizes with powdery notes and disarms you with the sweetness characteristic for the gourmand family. Fragrance notes: head, citrus notes, spicy notes, cinnamon, dianthus, ginger, cardamom, fruity notes. Heart, woody notes, floral notes. Base, amber, musk, powdery notes. Pure Royal number 924 is a fragrance ideal for everyday use, with a whole range of floral notes which provide it with an open and friendly character. Fragrance notes: head, mandarin, neroli, saffron, cardamom, nutmeg. Heart, Damascus rose, jasmine, orange flower, floral notes, cedarwood. Base, amber, sweetwood, sandalwood, vanilla, milk.
These are all new products we have today. Our catalogue is slowly getting its final shape. See how it looks now. And don't forget about the fantastic FM Dreamers competition. Your dreams come to us, we read them with flushed cheeks, and we look forward to receiving more entries from you. If you haven't joined the game yet, do so now. For more details, please visit our websites.
What do you dream about? FM Dreamers. We will help you to fulfill your wishes. November action for FM World business partners. FM Dreamers. Gather at least 300 personal points between the 1st and 30th of November. Make a wish. Let us know what your dream is and we will make it real. Send us your entry at dreamers@fmworld.com. Will you be one of the 10 lucky winners? FM Dreamers. We make dreams come true.
Dear partners, this is all we have for you in the third presentation of the catalogue number 33. But, of course, there is more to come in the official launch of the latest catalogue. Follow our websites and social media and see you in the 4th catalogue premiere episode and the next episode of FM News TV with the latest news and stories from the world of FM. Stay tuned.